Good morning, YouTube. It is day 1 of summer shred. I didn't sleep good. I'm tired, but it's day 1. I'm making coffee right now. I'm getting ready to do my fasted cardio. And in today's video, I'm gonna walk you guys through an entire day of eating. I showed you guys meal prep in the last video, but I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like in a full day. Puppy back here is eating his breakfast. Other puppy over there getting his breakfast. So I'm gonna be doing my cardio fasted. Yeah, so full day of eating. Let's get started. All right, getting ready to do the fasted cardio. Black coffee. I've been making coffee over here on my Keurig, pardon the mess. I've been using these Peet's Coffee Light Roast Columbia. Sometimes I've been using Trader Joe's coffee cups. Those have been pretty good. So I brew a cup and then I cut it with hot water over here because I like black coffee not too strong. So since I'm not adding any cream or sugar to it, I've been cutting it with hot water. But check out my cute mug. It's ceramic. Very cool stuff. All right, off to do cardio. So this is it. About to get the cardio on. All right, guys, cardio's done. Off to eat meal number 1. I'm so excited. All right, guys, so pardon the messy hair. I just got back from doing my cardio. And I wanted to explain to you guys how the meal plan works and a couple options you guys have to make it fit for your day. I've been following menu 2 of the Latin shred and I made some adjustments to it. So the breakfast calls for fruit, non-fat, plain Greek yogurt, and almonds. What I did was I have the fruit portioned out, I have the non-fat plain Greek yogurt portioned out, I have the lunches portioned out as well as dinner portioned out. I can choose to have the lunch for breakfast if I wanted to have like something savory for breakfast, and I can switch the parfait to my lunch, or I can have like lunch and dinner for breakfast and lunch and have the breakfasty meal for dinner. So it's up to you. I'm actually going to have like a lunch-ish meal for breakfast where I'm going to weigh out my protein. I already measured out my veggies, which I'm just gonna steam real quick and have it with some rice because I like that kind of meal for breakfast. But I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on my plate and then show you guys what I'm eating for the whole day. But you can mix and match things as you wish. Now, I adjusted my macros a little bit. When I say I adjusted my macros, I adjusted it to fit the protein sources I wanted to eat for this menu. So I'm eating chicken thighs and salmon. I dialed the fats down, took some fats away from the breakfast and shifted them. So you can definitely do that with your meals if you wish. Otherwise, just follow the menus as they are. So if you're confused, you don't have to do what I'm doing. One more thing, if you guys want extra variety, there is a Shred Collector's Cookbook, which you can check out here. We have so many recipes and extra ideas if you love cooking and you want to experiment a lot. All right, guys, so I just pulled the salmon out the fridge and I just weighed out 5 ounces of salmon, and this is what it looks like. Yes, I am using a paper plate. Do not hate on me. I need something easy breezy. I'm going to prepare it with this rice in the microwave, and I'm going to just saute some veggies on the stove real quick. All right, so I have a non-stick skillet here. Lightly sprayed it with some olive oil spray, and I'm gonna take my pre-portioned out veggies and just put it here. I'm gonna saute this up a little bit. All right, so I added like 1 or 2 tablespoons of water to this just to steam it up a little bit more. I'm gonna let it cook until they're like nice and bright green. That should do it. I'm gonna leave it just like that. All right, so I just pulled this out of the microwave. Putting my veggies. And that's breakfast. Okay, it's not really fancy, guys. Here, let me show you guys what my meal one is in better lighting. But this is plenty of food for me. Plenty of food. I'm gonna add some hot sauce to it. That is meal one. What do you think, Woozy? You a fan? Is this okay? Is this okay? You want some salmon and vegetables too? Meal one. Boom. All right, so trying to stay on track. I'm drinking LaCroix, LaCroix, sparkling lime. I also just had some of this watermelon lime zinger tea. But these are the things that I use during the day to keep me on track. I'm working, getting through some stuff. But yeah, this is how I'm gonna stay on track until the next meal. All right, guys, so eating lunch now. I have my mixed fruit here. This is 6 ounces of fruit. I have my Chobani non-fat plain Greek yogurt, 5.3 ounces. I'm gonna combine this all together. Fresh. Now this was my breakfast. I could have had this as an on-the-go breakfast, but I was in the mood for something savory for breakfast, so I saved it for now, which is pretty nice because it's a hot day out and I just want something light. So this is what I'm having for my lunch. Super excited about it. And this yogurt's plain. You can add a packet of stevia if you wish, but I'm just going to mix this stuff together, and that is what I'm having. Bon appetit. All right, YouTube, last meal of the day. I am heating up chicken thigh and rice in the microwave. I got my veggies I'm about to steam here in the skillet. And while that's all going, I wanted to talk to you guys about dealing with unexpected things during your shred. And one thing I was dealing with today that I wanted to share with you guys was I was dealing with some unexpected stress. And I had this feeling for a moment where like I just wanted to like eat something. And I already prepped all my food, I already committed to this shred and all that, but like even with all of that, I still felt like just being like, dang, you know what, screw it. I'm stressed, and sometimes stress is a pass that we give ourselves where we're like, oh, we got a lot going on. I'm gonna just, you know, pause on my goals for the meantime. When that happens, you guys, I really encourage you, you gotta dig deep. You have to really remember your goals, and you have to remember that no amount of food is going to solve your problem. No amount of food is going to solve that stress. And I know in the heat of the moment, it's so easy just to think that eating something like very specific or something that's really convenient in the moment can make you feel better, but I can tell you that feeling will pass. And it's something I really had to remind myself of today, and I got through it. But I just wanted to share that experience with you guys because I think that some of you guys can definitely benefit from it. So I'm gonna show you guys the rest of my food for the evening, making myself some tea, and yeah, solid day one over here. So I put just like a couple teaspoons of water in here just to steam up these veggies. Put my chicken thigh on my plate, and I actually put the piece of chicken directly on top of the rice just so that some of the flavor from the chicken gets on the rice as I microwave it. But I'm just about to steam up these veggies. You don't have to put this much water in it. I just didn't feel like adding any of my oil spray. I just wanted to steam them today. So yeah, just a few more seconds of steaming, and then that's gonna be my full meal. I'll show you when it's all ready. Alright guys, here's dinner, some steamed veggies, my chicken thigh, my rice, and I added some of my pickles and jalapenos in my vinegar. It just helps me stay on track. So that's it guys, day one in the books. It was a little bit harder than I anticipated today, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Still got a bunch of water to drink here, so I'm gonna get that down. But a great day nonetheless. Stay tuned for more in my 6-week shred, summer shred series. Take care guys, have a good one.